This is a cluster training on project implementation for School-Based Management Committee's School Improvement Program, organized by the Universal Basic Education Commission, UBEC, in collaboration with the Lagos State Universal Basic Education Board for Project Implementation Subcommittee and Local Government Education Authority desk officers. The program is designed to improve community participation in school governance. To achieve these objectives, SBMCs were given funds to solve minor issues that may arise in their schools.
For us at UBEC, we are here as usual, and the Sbmc-Sip, we have 31 schools benefiting for this year. So I would like to inform you that the last one that we did not record any issue, any negative information from Lagos State. So we are hoping that the trend will continue like that.
At this event, some schools who were participating in the SBMC school improvement programs were presented with award papers. The chairman of Lasubeb, Honorable Wahab Alawuye King, said intervention programs like this will make schools habitable for learning, hence it must be encouraged.
This is being provided by the Universal Basic Education Commission, and this is in line with their determination to ensure that maintenance culture in our schools are, improved. As we all know, maintenance is used to prevent, to control, and to support. And as such, interventions like this will make our school a better place for our pupil. So we must encourage the School-Based Management Committee, the Parent Forum, to take ownership of the schools. Schools are part of the community, and somebody must take ownership.
The permanent board member in charge of social mobilization, Mrs. Shijuade Tiamiyu, and other dignitaries present urged the schools to make good use of the funds given to them.
This program is designed to improve community involvement in school governance, and communities are given some funds to the extent to which they're able to take care of minor repairs, including provision of furniture in their schools. So we're here today to present award letter to the beneficiaries, and we're encouraging them to please do whatever they need to do to the best of their ability.
Our aim is to see that the School Basic Management Committee manages the resources they are giving, and to also raise counterpart funds that will assist them. No project should be an abandoned project. It's for our children, and we have to do it well. So we have come to encourage them and also to supervise it and make sure everybody involved is aware of what is happening, and that it's not a giveaway money. It's money to be properly utilized and make sure the project is not abandoned.
Whatever you are giving as a leader, you must be able to account for it. For instance, Lasubeb and UBEC, they have tried their best by giving us funds to make whatever you want to use in the school, so that we can be a bridge between the government and the people. If we use the fund judiciously, definitely our children will be very happy. The community themselves where the school is located will be very happy.
In another development, Lasubeb organized a training on advanced Microsoft Excel for its planning and research officers to equip them with the necessary knowledge for data processing and analysis. Participants, while commending Lasubeb, said the training will enhance their productivity.
The intent of this training is just to take them through and acquaint them with whatever tools they need to use in Excel to be able to process their information better than the way they've done it before.
It's going to enhance our productivity. Then when it comes to pertaining to data. So for instance, like we say, for the recent year, so our data haven't been that improved. But right now, I can say now, with this new method, the new USI, this thing that we're trying to learn. So we're trying to inculcate most of our things and to improve most of our data processing.
We need to also sharpen their skills so as to be able to fit into the structure of the digitalization and digitalization of efforts of the board, particularly as it relates to the system of education being adopted at the basic education level with the involvement of Eco-Excel, which basically is through the infusion of technology into the teaching and learning process.
This training will help us, we in planning and MEs, to enable to gather more knowledge from data management and analysis.
The major objective is to be able to impact the people with the necessary skills they will need to be able to analyze data, come up with valuable reports for their superiors at the end of the day.
This training will not only make planning, data collection, and analysis easy, but it will also ensure the successful implementation of the Eco-Excel initiative.